OnePlus officially launched the highly anticipated OnePlus Watch 3, and it's already shaping up to be a standout in the world of wearable tech. However, there's one quirky detail that has everyone talking: a typo on the steel backplate. Early buyers have discovered that the label reads a Meda in China A instead of the correct Made in China A via Android Authority. Multiple users on Reddit have reported this issue, suggesting that a significant number of units, if not all, could be affected by this error. The error was first highlighted by Reddit user Maniac1688, who shared a photo of the misspelling. Several other users soon confirmed that the typo appears on their OnePlus Watch 3 models as well. Interestingly, even OnePlus official renders on their global website initially displayed the same typo, although these have since been removed. A solid smartwatch despite the typo. Typo aside, the OnePlus Watch 3 continues to impress with its specifications. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset and boasting a custom-made silicon-carbon 631 mAh battery, this Wear OS 5 smartwatch is feature-rich and ready for action. Pre-orders are now open, though North American buyers will have to wait until February 25th for official availability. If you're an early adopter who snagged a first-run edition, be sure to check the backplate for the typo. Collector's item or quality control blunder? The typo has elicited mixed reactions from users. While some find it amusing and believe it could turn this batch of watches into unique collector's items, others are frustrated that such a mistake slipped through quality control. At the end of the day, it's impossible to satisfy everyone.